Welcome, in front of me I have ZEBLAZE Vibe 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button and keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen. Once the menu appears, you should see the, oh my bad, let's open it again, but basically on the power menu you will see the restart option, tap on it and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And we're back in the system now, and that's how you restart or soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.